and well amid politics over NDA and Mahagathbandhan, CM faced fake Prime Minister Narendra Modi while speaking from Samastipur roared that NDA will win Bihar under Nitish's leadership. Prime Minister Modi went on to say that NDA will get historic mandate under Nitish Kumar. So while Tejasvi Yadav had put the same question to the NDA, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has now made it amply clear that in the case of NDA's victory, Nitish Kumar will lead the state of Bihar. Let's listen in to those key statements.
NDA यानी सुशासन, NDA यानी जनता की सेवा, NDA यानी विकास की गारंटी। और इसलिए आज आपका ये उत्साह देखकर मैं कह सकता हूं, इस बार बिहार में भी नीतीश बाबू के नेतृत्व में एनडीए जीत के अपने पुराने सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने वाला है। इन चुनावों में बिहार एनडीए को अब तक का सबसे बड़ा जनादेश दे।
Cutting across to my colleague Piyush, who's joining us on the broadcast. Piyush, with just 11 days to go for the polls in Bihar, it is now clear that the fight is narrowing down and it is Tejasvi versus Nitish in Bihar.
Well, that's right, Suesha. PM Narendra Modi, during his first rally for Bihar Assembly elections, has now made it very, very clear that the NDA is fighting elections under the leadership of Nitish Kumar. And remember that this announcement was made when all NDA constituents were sitting on stage, like Chirag Paswan, Upendra Kushwaha, Nitish Kumar, Jitan Ram Manjhi, and the top leaders of BJP were also on the stage. And PM Narendra Modi, the topmost leader of BJP, has now made it very, very clear that yes, we will be fighting elections under the leadership of Nitish Kumar. In the last few days, we have seen a lot of political controversy also taking place on this. Yesterday, when Tejasvi Yadav was named as the CM face of Mahagathbandhan, he had questioned the intention of NDA as to who will be the chief minister and candidate of NDA. Now, PM Narendra Modi has made it very clear that yes, NDA is going to fight elections under the leadership of Nitish Kumar. One thing also very important to highlight, Suesha, here is that yesterday we saw the joint press conference of Mahagathbandhan, but there was a photograph of only one leader, and that was of Tejasvi Yadav. But today, during the rally of PM Narendra Modi, not only his photo was there, but also photos of Nitish Kumar, Jitan Ram Manjhi, Chirag Paswan, Upendra Kushwaha were also there on the stage, on the very place where the rally was addressed by PM Narendra Modi. So at one side we have a joint NDA speaking everything in one voice. On the other side there are differences, those we have seen in the initial stage, also during the seat distribution also. And again yesterday we saw how Tejasvi Yadav's photo was there and no other leader's photo was there on the Mahagathbandhan poster. In fact, today when Tejasvi Yadav also addressed his first rally for the Bihar Assembly polls, he was not accompanied by any other top leader of Mahagathbandhan. So this shows as to how still Mahagathbandhan is not on one page, but NDA is, and we saw the joint rally of NDA where PM Narendra Modi announced that yes, NDA is going to contest elections on the face of Nitish Kumar.
Oh yes, absolutely, Piyush. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi putting out a loud and clear message to all the cadres on the ground, where he says that NDA will bag this victory with a historic mandate. Let's listen in to that statement once again.
NDA यानी सुशासन, NDA यानी जनता की सेवा, NDA यानी विकास की गारंटी। और इसलिए आज आपका ये उत्साह देखकर मैं कह सकता हूं, इस बार बिहार में भी नीतीश बाबू के नेतृत्व में एनडीए जीत के अपने पुराने सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने वाला है। इन चुनावों में बिहार एनडीए को अब तक का सबसे बड़ा जनादेश दे